My name's Garrett. I'm the installation manager here at Guardian Security Screens. And today we're cutting pop-outs on a slider. There's really three reasons. Primary reason is just to avoid any kind of pry points and just easily stick a knife in these pop-outs. The second reason, we want to get the frame as close to the home as possible. And we're ensuring we're getting the 3-inch screws into stud. And then third and last reason, if you look at these concrete stoops, they're never going to come out flush. That's going to leave you with this big old gap, and that's just unnecessary. So that's why we cut the pop out.
Somebody down there gon' get bone. Give it, 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 give it.
All right, so this is the finished install. The pop out's clearly cut, and we fill it up with the latex silicone just to kind of make everything look flush as if it was already built into there. It does not stay white. After this dries, it's going to be completely clear. And once it is clear, it's fully paintable as well. But we do these cuts very, very tight that we don't even really need to paint.